Hi everyone, welcome back, and in this video I'll be giving you some information on the order by statements. This is a series of SQL fundamentals and I've taken a couple of videos before this on some SQL fundamental statements. So if you want to have a look at them, you can click on the link that I've provided in the description box. So without any delay, let's get into it. So what is this order by statement? So the order by statement is used to sort rows in a table based on a column value. So based on what column value exists in a table, based on that only it gets sorted. Either it gets ordered by based on ascending or a descending order. So if you see the syntax, it is select column name from a table and you need to order by a particular column value. So that's why you specify order by column name, and you need to specify what should be the order, whether it's ascending to descending or descending to ascending. So over here you either provide ASC/DESC, which indicates ascending to descending. So over here ASC stands for ascending order, DESC it represents descending order. So what happens if you don't provide the order? By default, SQL takes it as ascending order. So if you don't provide any order over here, when you execute your query, the results that come up are going to be from ascending to descending order. So let us see an example. So let's say I have a table over here, the sales table, and I have a sales column as well as a country column. So I have values in here, but now initially I want to just fetch the country and it should be in an ordered fashion from ascending to descending. So now I can provide this query of select country from sales table and order by the country column from ascending to descending order. So if you see the sales table, the country column is going to be applied for the order by, and I've applied ascending to descending. So if comparing this, if you see, it's arranged from ascending to descending. First is England, second France, third Germany, and fourth is Spain. Another example is when you want to apply this order by on multiple columns. So let's say I'm selecting the sales as well as the country column from the sales table, and I want to order by the country as well as sales from ascending to descending order. So now when there are two columns that are provided, it's always going to be the first column that is ordered in ascending to descending order, and second it's going to be the sales column, which is arranged from ascending to descending order. So if you see this table, first the country, it's going to be ordered by ascending to descending. So you have England, France, Germany, and Spain. Second, the second column is going to be taken, and again it's going to be arranged from ascending to descending order. So if you see within England, it has two values, okay? So within these two values, it selects the values from ascending to descending order. So first it's 213 and second is 432. So for France, Germany, and Spain, since there's no duplicates, the values are just plotted over there. So this is an example of how you can apply the order by statement. Now let's get to see it with some real-time example. So let's say I have this customer column, and let's say I want to first apply a simple order by for just one column. So let's say I'm selecting the let's say the first column. So first name from the table is customer, and I want to order by first name. And if I don't specify any order in which I want to, as I said, it's going to by default arrange it in ascending to descending. So if you see over here, it's ascending to descending. I have A, B, and then C as follows. So now let's say I want to get two columns, okay? Let's say the first name, and before the first name, I want to get the store ID. And now I want to sort the store ID first. It's not sort, sorry, I don't know why that keeps coming to mind, but it's order by. So it's store ID. And the second is going to be the first name. So now let me execute this query. And there you see. So first the store ID gets ordered by. So you see 1, and then you would see 2, and so on. And after the store ID is ordered, if you see the name, the first name also gets ordered. So within one you see A, then within one you see B, then you'll see C, and so on. So there's another variation of this where in case you want to apply a store ID and you want it in the descending order and the first name should be in an ascending order, still that works. So there you go. So it's descending and this is going to be in an ascending order. So it's any combination you can use based on whatever is your use case. So these are some ways that you can play around with order by. So I hope that you got some information on this and next time you'll be able to order by your records very easily. So if you like this video, please do give this video a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe to this channel and also do share your feedbacks. Thank you.